welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. I'm bringing you another interesting video today, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. And if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and also share my videos with your friends and loved ones. Today guys, I'll be showing you a simple DIY that you can easily do at home. I'll be showing you how to make rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is known for its stimulating, soothing and relieving properties. It is used to stimulate hair growth. This oil can really help you to grow hair, and it has a soothing property, so the oil can be inhaled and it can be applied topically on the skin. It helps to hydrate the skin and to control the amount of oil that is produced in the skin. Today guys, you're going to see how you can make your own rosemary oil at home. I have fresh rosemary leaves here. You can use the dried leaves. The leaves are a little bit sandy, so I'm going to start by rinsing the leaves so that we don't end up with the bad oil. So let's get into this. Rosemary oil has anti-inflammatory properties. It can be used to treat joint inflammation by simply massaging it on the affected area, and because of its antiseptic properties, you can easily add it to your shampoo, to your conditioner, and also to your cream. So this oil is very useful and is beneficial for you. I'm going to be rinsing this a few times since I'll be using this on my hair and on my skin, so it's good you rinse this properly. After rinsing this for the last time, I'm just going to drain all the water from the rosemary. You can just spread this out in the sun to dry. Over here it's raining, so I can't really leave this outside to dry. I'm just going to leave this to drain in the sink. Once the leaves are fully dried, I'm going to crush the leaves lightly, okay, so that it will be easily infused in the oil without much waste of time. Okay, I've just lightly crushed this. After crushing this and I have something like this, I'm just going to stop. I love the aromatic smell that comes from the leaves. So next I'm going to bring this into a container or a bowl like this, and I'm going to add my carrier oil into this. I'm using olive oil. You can use coconut oil or grapeseed oil, or even any oil that has less odor. Just make sure you don't use any oil with a strong flavor. Okay, the leaves should be fully immersed in the oil. To extract the oil, I'm going to place the pan on heat just like this. Then I'm going to place the mixture into the oil before the water comes to a boil, just to make sure the oil and the water get heated at the same time. Then I'm going to be stirring this as it starts to boil. The water has started boiling, so I'm just going to start stirring this. So I'm just going to be stirring this from time to time. Just make sure you stand close by so you'll be able to stir this. So guys, I've been stirring this for the past 25 minutes and the leaves have wilted away, and obviously the oil has been infused. Let me just show you what it looks like. Look at this greenish oil. It means it's ready. So I'm just going to turn off my heat. Okay, so I'm going to pick it up out of the water. Just have a clear look at this. Can you see that? Okay, we have this greenish or lemon color, so I'm going to rest the oil for about 10 minutes to cool down before I move to the next step. Guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to strain the oil. So I have my bowl here. I'm going to place a strainer over this, then pour this oil mixture over the strainer. So I'm just going to lightly press the leaves to release most of the oil. Don't overpress this, otherwise water is going to flow into the oil. You wouldn't want the water to ruin your oil during storage. Okay, so we have this golden oil here. Looks really good, right? And next I'm going to transfer this into a storage bottle like this. So I'm just going to use a funnel so I don't end up pouring out my oil on the floor. Your oil should not stay for so long. I love to make my oil so that I can finish it within a month. This is the quantity of rosemary oil I've gotten. At the end of the day, this is about 200 mils. Okay, it's all dependent on the quantity of oil I use for the extraction. Okay, now you can use this oil. This oil has so many uses. You can use it on your hair to massage your scalp. It grows hair very well, and also you can use it on your skin. Okay, so I'm just going to place the lid over this. Sometimes I love to store my oil in the fridge. You can still store this on your shelf. It will still last as long as there's no water in the oil. So guys, this was how to make rosemary oil at home. I hope you like this video. If you're new to this channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel, and also you can share this with your friends. Bye.